Muthenya wa rucio niguo muthenya uria ukoragwo igitwo keheri-ini wa kuhurana na ungumania thiini wa thi na bururi wa Kenya naguo ndutigitwo na thutha guku kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania EACC igitwikania matura matiganite guthomithia muingi. Kaunti-ini ya Murang'a nikuo murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ino TWALIB MBARAK akwambite hema kuroire mweke na kuhithuria ati NIAHETWO ruthani wa afici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi ahingurire thitango seneta wa UASIN GISHU Mandago kuruhanitio na mubango wa gutwara ARUTWO bururi-ini wa FINALND MAGATHOME.
What we have is that our quarterly report have got big cases and quite a number of big cases. Some of them is about telecom, other is about the issue of Ronald Ngala College, which is stuck in Vipingo, and we have one that deals with about the senator in UASIN GISHU, where this the famous FINALND scandal. So for the senator, we have recommended him to be charged, and we are in the process. I think we got a go ahead to charge him.
MBARAK augite kamiti no ni ikitio thuthuria wa kuigana na kuhingurira senator uyu thitango.
Senator Mandago is to be charged because we found something about him, and we have a go ahead from the DPP. For Siaya County, there's an issue of misuse of money through interest collection and not surrendering. We have recommended some senior staff of Siaya County to be charged, including one who pocketed about 18 million shillings.
Kamiti ya EACC ikoretwo igithuthuria Mandago kumana na shilingi bilioni 1.1 iria cietitio aciari kuma kaunti-ini ya UASIN GISHU niguo ciana ciao ciigwatire kanya ga guthie guthomera bururi-ini wa FINALND. Ihinda-ini o riu kamiti ino yugite ninge no irathuthuria umwe wa minister wa thirikari ya hau kabere agikuruhanio na wendia wa shares kambuni-ini ya telecom.
As far as telecom sale is concerned, we have recommended a former CS, a PS, and some senior telecom officials to be charged.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa kamiti ino David Oginde augite makoretwo makirwa na ungumania mataguthitũkania na manyitikana kana iturwa ciao kana na kuhinyiriria nduriri o ciothe.
We do not target any particular group or individuals or communities. We deal with cases of corruption wherever they happen.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Gitagwo wa Irima wa Muthui.